Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guys channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect Psiphon VPN for unlimited internet. So I will show you how to start by downloading and installing to how to use the app, how to use Psiphon VPN, right? So the first step you have to take is you have to download, which is going to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for Psiphon, spelled PSI, then the PHON, and click on search. So this is the Psiphon VPN, right? So one thing you need to know that it contains ads, and you can actually purchase for it to be a ad-free app for you, right? So that's one thing about the app. So let's wait for it to load. You can see example of what I just said now. So this is actually how to connect. Once you click on start, it's going to start and get connected, but before then you can have to actually select the location, that's the country, the region you want it to be. You can choose France or UK, anyone, but it's set as best performance, so you know what that means already. Click on OK, and you can see the proxy settings. You can actually connect through an HTTP proxy. So once you click on it, it's going to turn on automatically, right? So after that, you can now go to your home and click on start. So once you click on start, it's going to get connected. Look at what I just said, ads. So you can actually purchase, you can actually subscribe to the app so that you can have an ad-free operation on the app. So that's actually how to connect. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop Spotify from playing automatically in car or Bluetooth. So once you connect your phone, and you know it's going to actually automatically start playing song from your Spotify. So I'm going to tell you how to actually stop that from happening. So what you need to do first of all is make sure your Spotify app is updated. Click on your Play Store or Apple Store and search for Spotify. Click on that, and you can see I need to update my app. So once it's updated, we'll wait for it to update. So after that, all you need to do is you go back and open up your Spotify app just like this, and look above your screen. You're going to see your profile right there. So once you click on your profile, you can see settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy, and you can see playback. So you click on playback and scroll down, and you can see autoplay. Yeah, so this autoplay right here is going to make it automatically start playing from where it stopped or something. So you need to click on this. So see where it is. It's supposed to be like below, sorry, it's supposed to be like the lowest right here, but it's just according to the way your app is though. But what you're looking for is autoplay right here. So what you need to do is just you have to turn that off, right? So that is how to actually stop that for playing automatically. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. So you can actually add someone without it showing or saying added by search. So first step you have to do is open up your Snapchat app like this and look below your screen. see your chat right there. Once you click on your chat, you can now look above and see the search icon right there. Once it's there, search for the person's name right here. So I'll be searching for my friend's name and click on it. So once you click on that, you click on the person's profile. I'm using this person for illustration, right? So after doing this, you need to click on this show icon right here, and you can see send profile. So then you click on copy right here, so the link have been copied. So after that, what you need to do is, for example, let's use somebody that's not even my friend. Okay, I'll be using this person, and here is the person. This is a random person I don't really know. So just click on the tree icon right there, and you can see share profile or share profile URL. So share profile and click on copy. So once I copy this, let me go to my WhatsApp, right? So I'll send this to my mom, right? So click this and send it. So once I click on this link, or once you click on it, it's going to take me to that person's profile. So this is it. So it won't, so once I click on add right here, it won't show added by search in our Snapchat. You understand? So this is very easy to make. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up, and you can always subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.